Are you a beginner and you don't have any makeup brushes? So how you are going to do your makeup, right? Come, let me teach you how to do a full face makeup without any brush and using only your hands. First, we are going to prep our skin because prepping your skin is the key. First, apply your regular moisturizer and moisturize your skin. Second, use any regular lotion you use for your skin and then apply your sunscreen. No matter when you are going out, sunscreen is a must for everyday use. Then for soft blush look, we are going to use a tinted blush. So I'm going to use my all-time favorite water tint by Nude. Also apply a bit on your nose. Don't worry about applying too much. Take a makeup wipe and wipe out your hands because we are going to use our hands to apply our foundation. Now if you want, you can use a cream contour to sculpt your face. I'm using Glam contouring cream contour and this is in the shade Tawny Amber. Now use your hands to blend this cream contour. So now my face looks more sculpted. Now I'm going to use a foundation and a glowing illuminator. Now I'm going to mix this Glam Starburst Glow Mixer with my foundation to give it a more glowy finish. So I'm going to use my regular foundation. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation. I'm going to take a very small amount on the back of my hand, like this much, and then I'm going to take this illuminator around this much. And now I'm going to mix my sunscreen with my foundation. It will liquidify my foundation and the thickness of the foundation will reduce. Also, it will give a very tint-like finish on my face. So mix your foundation and glowy highlighter and sunscreen together. It will become a paste like this and then apply it with your finger all over your face, okay? And just rub it. You can also apply it under your eyes. If you don't have too much dark circles, you can skip concealer. See, even after applying foundation, I have so much left on my hand. So I'm going to apply it on my neck. It will even out my skin tone and it will also give glow on my neck. So you see, you can blend your foundation with your hand and you can get a finish like you have used makeup brush or a beauty blender. Now I'm going to use my concealer to spot conceal my dark marks and also a bit under my eyes to cover up my dark spots. So I'm using my regular concealer. This one is from Makeup Revolution and this is in the number C8. Apply a very small amount of concealer. Now I'm going to blend my concealer with my fingers. Now that all our cream products are done blending, we are going to set our face with some loose powder. So I'm going to use my regular loose powder, Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Powder, and I'm going to set my entire face with a puff. So take your puff and take some loose powder on the puff, dab it on your hand, okay, and rub it so that the powder is evenly applied on the puff. Now, first we are going to set our under eyes and then we are going to set our lid. See the difference? And now let your face bake for a few seconds and whatever is left on the puff, apply it on your face. Gently just tap it. We don't want our entire glow to fade away, but we also want to set our face. Now that our powder has been left under our eyes for a few seconds, we are going to take the same puff and we are going to gently just rub our under eye so the excess powder is gone with the puff. Very gently just tap away, okay? Also put your face powder on your neck. As we have applied some cream products, wherever you have applied cream products, you should use powder to set it. Now you can see our entire face is set. Now let's do a very simple eye look. Take any eyeshadow palette that you use on regular basis. I'm using this one from Swiss Beauty and this is number 4 palette, and I'm going to take this shade and apply it all over my eyelid. I'm taking this shade on my fingers and I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid and on my crease. And I'm going to drag slightly from my outer corner towards my eyebrow. You see, we have got a nice base. Now I'm going to take this burgundy shade on my pinky and I'm going to apply it very closely this area of my eyes, you know, like on my eyelashes. Just simply apply it, then we are going to blend it with another finger. Now that you have applied, just blend it with another finger and it's going to give a very nice outline of your eye. See, now you have applied the burgundy color around your eye. Now take the previous shadow on your previous finger and blend them together. Now that we are done applying our matte eyeshadows, we are going to take our highlighter. So I'm using my favorite highlighter palette. This is from Makeup Revolution and this is Roxara's Contour and Highlight palette, and I'm going to take my favorite highlighter shade from this palette and apply it on top of my nose, on my cheeks. I'm going to blend it with my blush as well so that it will look very natural rather than flaky. I'm going to take the highlighter and apply it on my brow bone, and also I'm going to apply it on my inner corner. And now I'm going to take this deep golden highlighter and apply it on my eyelid for a bit shimmery effect. Now take any nude eyeliner. I'm using my all-time favorite Beauty Glazed waterproof nude eyeliner and apply it on your waterline. Now curl your eyelash with the eyelash curler. Now take your regular mascara. After applying mascara, apply any lip shade. You can use your regular nude lip shade. I'm using my favorite lip liner from Beauty Glaze. This is called Expose. I'm going to slightly overline my lips. Now I'm going to use my regular lipstick. This is from MAC. This is the Powder Kiss formula and the shade is Mullet Over 314, and I'm going to fill my center with this lipstick. And this is it. You have a full face makeup without using any brush, all with your fingers. So if you are a beginner and you want to have a full makeup done but you don't have any brushes, don't get worried. You can do it with just using your fingers. Hope it helps.